na yue mwene ya kumenyanithia murimo ywa Nyiimba ndaitari Norbert Mwangina ugite kurubara bare atine kamyaka 35 na 60 nibo boneka bari ugwatine bunene bokugwatwa ni murimo yonendi araithirite akya na kinyitumi biraba ingebedera bakyota nabyo nijwo amwana utumiri banda wachembugita ancho bine kinyathikara itari na bitana mbere na kwayana mataharo bura muntu mbiga kugwiria kenda kwebukana na mpanga ya murimo yo mutugikare kato echo.
So this being cervical cancer awareness month, other than cervical cancer, we also have other types of cancers, including breast cancer for women, including prostate cancer for men, lung cancer and even esophageal cancer.
Ni Daktari Robert Mwangi kuma sibitari ya St. Peter's Orthopedic udakiariria murimo jwa Nyiimba mono Nyiimba ya njira ya UCIARI mbere akiwakiriye Ekuru barabara medi ni murimo juu ni barabara no kuruwa miaka 35 gweta 60 Ekuru barabara na kuruba ingi bakiwendo na kinyana bari barabara mbere itekonana na rume kiwendo bari na miaka minini.
Cervical cancer is usually a malignant tumor which affects the cervix, and it's usually diagnosed at ages of between 35 to 60 years in women who have multiple sexual partners. For those women who start intercourse at an early age, also predisposed to having cervical cancer. Those women also who tend to smoke or consume alcohol at times can also predispose them to cervical cancer.
Daktari Mwangi agitariria kiraomba kuona kana kuigothugana uri na murimo yo jwa Nyiimba ya njira ya UCIARI.
It's usually pain within the pelvis, pain within the lower back, foul smelling discharge. At times patients can also complain painful intercourse.
Na kaunti ya Meru irimo ya kaunti ya Shitongerete na murimo jwa Nyiimba. Daktari Mwangi na ugite Ekuru Nyiimba ya NYOONTO na iji ya njira UCIARI ni shirumirite muno na kuwa akiuria mingi gushumiria magita kwa magita kuthimirwa kenda murimo yo jwa gwatikana kuria jomba gutiritwa na kuora buru.
Leading cancer is cervical cancer together with breast cancer, whereas in male we have prostate cancer and lung cancer. This is through screening of women of reproductive age, and also the government has availed HPV vaccine for children of ages between 9 to 12 years. And as healthcare workers, we usually advise on early screening, because cervical cancer is one of those cancers which, if it's noted early, it can be prevented and also be treated.
Kiripoti rantito shewero reakwaritwa ni mutugi kare.